Students, today in this video we are going to learn about usage of has, have and had. Usage of has, have and had. This is basic English grammar actually, but many people get confused where to use has, where to use have and where to use had. So, do you also get confused where to use has, where to use have, where to use had? Then we are here to help you. Well, in present tense we use has or have. In past tense we use had. In present tense we use either has or have, but in past tense we use had. Again question arises, how has and have both in present tense? लग रहा है ना आपको भी दो कैसे? ठीक है, so let me tell you, in English we have performers, I, we, you, they, or like instead of we and they there may be plural noun like children, people, plural noun हो सकता है, he, she, it or any single noun. Okay, with this performer this has or have changes in present tense. In past tense with all these performers you have to put had, but in present tense with I you will write have, we have, you have, they have, या they के जगह पे कोई भी plural noun होगा जैसे people have, children have, boys have. So with these performers I, we, you or they or any plural noun you will put have. I have, we have, you have, they have. Okay, but whenever there is a singular noun, single person's name or he or she or it, तो we will put has. जैसे he has, she has, it has or any single noun जैसे Ram has, Sham has, table has. Okay, singular noun he, she, it we will put has. But with I, we, you, they we always put have. Present tense में either have or has, that depends upon the performer. But past tense में सबके साथ had लगाते हैं. Irrespective of the performer we put had with all the performers. Past tense में had लगाते हैं, present tense में has या have. तो you have to remember with what, with which performer have or with which performer you have to put has. These two things you will have to remember. But remember has, have both are used in present tense. Okay, many people have this confusion, has present tense hai, have past tense hai, like that. No, it is both has and have are used in present tense, but had is used in past tense. Present tense में you will have to remember the performer and accordingly you will put has or have. Fine. Now one more important thing I would like to tell you is has, have, had can be used for. कहाँ पे लगाते हैं, क्या क्या बताने के लिए लगाते हैं? तो whenever you have to show relationship, जैसे brother कि I have a brother, she has a sister. तो when you have to show relationship you will put has or have. When you have to show possession or ownership, now what is possession or ownership? कोई भी चीज़ आपके पास है, आपके पास टॉयज़ है, आपके पास पेन है, आपके पास बुक है, आपके पास कार है. Whenever you own certain thing or you possess certain thing you will use has or have. I have a car, she has a car. Okay. Or when you have to give mention about your illness, छोटा मोटा बुखार, सर्दी, खांसी हो गया, तो you can use has, have. Like I have fever, my sister has cold. ये तो छोटी मोटी बीमारी के लिए हैज़ है लगाते हैं. ईटिंग और ड्रिंकिंग के लिए भी लगाते हैं, जैसे आई हैव ब्रेकफास्ट इन द मॉर्निंग एट 9 o'clock. यहाँ पे आई हैव मीन्स आई ईट. आई हैव टी इन द मॉर्निंग, यहाँ पे हैव मतलब ड्रिंक, तो हैज़ हैव कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. देन इट कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर इवेंट्स और एक्टिविटीज़, जैसे आई हैव एन एग्ज़ाम टुमारो, आई हैव एन अपॉइंटमेंट विथ डॉक्टर, I have some function to be attended tomorrow. Any event, any function or appointment के लिए भी has, have use किया जाता है. So you should know where to use has, have also. Okay. Now let's use has. Let's take some examples. He has lot of toys. He या कोई लड़के का नाम लिखा है ही के जगह पे. राहुल हैज़ 2 sisters. तो इसके लिए he has lot of toys. Here it shows possession. Sisters, here it shows relationship. तो since this is he or a single person, तो we have used has. Now this is again single person, girl. Again we will put has. She has a picture book. Kim has short break at 11 o'clock. This again shows possession, activity. तो we have used has. But क्योंकि singular है तो हमने क्या लगाया? Has. Okay, now this is non-living, neuter gender. तो we use it. It has 4 blades. Okay. या non-living का कोई नाम है जैसे fan. Fan has nice design. तो we have to use has with singulars. He, she, it or singular noun we put has. Now use have like I have shown in the examples. I have a meeting tomorrow. Here it shows meeting and have is used with I, or it can be used we have lunch at 1 o'clock. Here have means eat. Have is used for eating. Again we और कोई plural noun भी हो सकता है जैसे children have exam from tomorrow. This is activity. To show activity we have used have. Here to eat we have used have. Okay, plural noun के साथ have लगाया. Then you have a headache. Now to show a small illness have is used, but you है इसके लिए have लगाया. Okay. They have a wonderful idea. Okay. They again plural. So have कहाँ पे लगाते हैं? I, we, you, they और plural noun के साथ have लगाते हैं. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends. Do press the like button. Comments आप ये video कैसे लगा and do subscribe.